The truth about digital marketing that nobody tells you about. It's not about working harder, it's working smarter. Most people think that you need to work hours and hours a day on your online business, which is simply not true. If you have an automated system working for you in the background, you only need to work 2 hours a day on your business. That's why I joined the Legacy Builders program. It's a fully automated business, which makes me earn online with 100% profit. No recruiting, no chasing people. Just a simple system that brings in my profits on a daily basis while I enjoy life. So if you're retired and working harder to get little results, put info in the comments and I'll show you today how to start working smarter. Legacy Builders program. Simple, profitable, and automated.